Hello everybody and welcome back to Alita Cooks. Today I am making Fricasé de Pollo estilo Cubano. Chicken fricassee Cuban style. You can use a whole chicken cut up or you can use chicken breast like I did here. For the chicken, all I used was the Chris Cook's Crazy Latin Explosion seasoning and the Mojo Criollo marinade, Spanish marinade. So I did this in two parts. On Saturday night, I marinated the chicken with the Latin Explosion generously, rubbed it all over, and the Spanish marinade. So I left this overnight in the refrigerator covered. That's part one. Then part two came on Sunday. I took out the chicken, preheated my air fryer, 400 for 5 minutes. Added the chicken breast. I did about 3.5 batches or something. 3 batches, 4. There was a lot. I did cut the chicken breast in half lengthwise. It was 4 very big breasts. I gave it 400 degrees at 22 minutes, but as I cut the chicken in half at the 22 minutes, I sort of still needed a little bit more. So I gave it about a total of 25 to 26 minutes. And there you see the chicken nicely fully cooked the way I like it. You can already eat this chicken like this. It's fried, air fried, it's healthy. You can eat it. But I decided to make chicken fricassee with it. This is the way my mom used to make it. Green peppers, onions, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. You're going to saute this with more of a generous amount of the Latin Explosion seasoning. This seasoning is amazing. You guys have to try it. I will have the link below in the description. So you saute until it is translucent. Then you're going to add tomato sauce. I added 3 small cans of tomato sauce. And I did add some kosher salt. Coarse kosher salt, which I did not show here, but I did add it for flavor. Then I stirred it around and incorporated everything, as you see here. I love to stir food. It's like therapy. I did add, coming up, a can of stewed tomatoes, and I crushed them in there. I don't know why, I just saw a can of stewed tomatoes in the pantry, so I added them. I had semi-boiled some potatoes on the side. I didn't cook them all the way, and I added to the sauce, and they will finish cooking in the sauce on a low to medium boil. Then you're going to add your chicken pieces, gently place them in, and you're going to keep cooking on a low to medium boil, as you see here. And now it's ready. Optionally, you can add green peas, red pimientos to adorn the fricassee. My children don't eat it, so I omit it. Thank you for watching. See you next week, and please subscribe. Thank you.